So I'm doing the trunk latch on the 2005 to 2007 Ford Focus. So you'll see it on the lid here. This one, I only see this in the 2005, this particular latch. It in 2006 and 2007, and they use a slightly different version of this, but the removal and installation is the same. What you're going to look for first is where the keyhole is on the trunk lid, and we're going to remove this plastic cover to get to that spot where because this releases the latch from the keyhole, and we're just going to push it to the left. And that pops it out, and then you have to kind of slide that out of the installation socket there. There's some oxidation on there, so it was a little sticky. There is 3 10mm, these are nuts, so you'll just zip those out. I use them packed in the junkyard. Okay, so the latch will drop down, so it's still connected to the electrical part of the car. Now this is a little tricky. You can see how, so the electrical plug goes in here. What I do is I take a small screwdriver and I push up on that from the inside, and that kind of releases it. And you'll just have to fiddle with it and work it out that way. So that's it. So there's the electrical plug. You'll install it the reverse of how we just removed it. I hope that helps. We'll see you next time. Just a side note here, I realized when I got back to the office that the 05 has a 3-pin connector, and then the 06 to 07 has a 4-pin connector, so they are not compatible even though installation is the same. So I am back in the office for bench testing. I have the latch here. There is a 3-pin connector. I have a wiring plug that I got from the junkyard, and you'll see that there is a larger black wire on the left that is ground. We'll use the white wire as power, and then there was a thinner wire that tells the trunk and the dash that the latch is in the open position. So I'm just going to close it. I'm using a power probe in the office. We'll attach ground to that far left wire. Okay, you'll see that light up. We'll fire that off, and then continuity will then move to that last wire, and that is now in the open position. So I hope that helps. I have the OEM part number as well as a link to eBay in the description, and we'll see you next time.